guys. Orlando Pirates fans, let us talk, guys. A lot has happened. Kusukela nje kwi-CAF, iLupopo FC, guys. Hey, it has been tough, guys, for Orlando Pirates fans. Guys, we know ukuthi we lost against iLupopo FC. But guys, we fought. Our players, they fought. So guys, we can't blame them because they fought so hard. So nathi kufuna sibafakele guys leyo nto ukuthi sibaphushe ukuthi abaye phambili. So that guys bezosijabulisa because there are still a lot of games that we still have to play. So guys, iBlack Label nansi iseduze. Izolo kade sidlala guys, sidlala against iMagesi. Sawina ngo-2-1. So guys, i-chance isasekhona ukuthi Orlando Pirates izokwazi ukuthi yenze njani, iqukule ama-trophy. So guys, asiphusheni ama-players ethu ukuthini athole i-Black Label aphinde athathe ne-league. Ilokho esesikubhekile. Angeke kusasisiza ukuthi-ke silokho sigxeka lapha nalapha. Fanele nje si-accept ukuthi okay, i-CAF ayisekho but next season siyabuya futhi kuyona i-CAF sizoyisukela. Nasekuqaleni kwenze kanje saphinde sabuya futhi. So guys, sixoliseni inhliziyo, siphusheni iBuccaneer ukuthi iye phambili. Kune-game on Saturday against iMamelodi Sundowns. We know ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns is a very good football club. So guys, we need to push our players. We need to support our players. So that guys, we are going to win against iMamelodi Sundowns. Because iMamelodi Sundowns i-team ehlonishwayo kakhulu eMzansi njengamanje. But iBuccaneer ngokwe-performance njengamanje ingaphezulu, the almighty Buccaneers. So guys, if singabaphusha abafana bethu sibasupporte, hayi iBuccaneer iyadlula against iMamelodi Sundowns. I-score prediction sami sithi 2-1. iBuccaneer 2, iMamelodi Sundowns 1. So guys, sisukela iligi, kumele siyiwine na kanjani iligi. If singawina iligi, isikhala se-CAF ngeke sibe khona uma singawina iligi. iBlack Label vele isisezandleni, so sinethemba lokuthi iBuccaneer izosiduduza ngayo-ke iBlack Label kanye nayo-ke iligi. So nje thina ekumele sikwenze ukusupporta ama-players ethu. iBuccaneer inswempu kakhulu. Inswempu, ithimu entswempu kakhulu, idlala ibhola elisharp. Ama-players ethu asezingeni eliphezulu. So nje badinga i-support yethu ukuthi sibaphushe baye phambili. Kuningi-ke esisazokubona-ke kuyona iBuccaneer as long as siyisupport siyiphusha. So guys, siyabonga kakhulu, siyabonga kakhulu. Buccaneer, keep supporting iBuccaneer.
Once, always.
Once and always, Buccaneers.